Hello. Let's have a look at how to work with extraction of data from invoices. If you go to Documents, Invoices, there's a feature called AI, Artificial Intelligence. And this is where you upload your invoices in PDF or pictures, JPEG, PNG. And once you upload it, you can upload multiple files at once at the same time. Once you upload it, you can send it for extraction. Here you also have an option to exclude extraction of invoice items. It means if you do that, the system will only extract the basic data like the amounts, values, tax values. So if you have invoices that are complicated, difficult for the system to extract, or you don't really need the detail of the invoice items, you can select this option. For now, I'll leave it as it is. I'll click Save, and by doing that, the system is working on the invoice, and once the system is done with the invoice, you'll get a notification. Before that, it's good to say that there's a filter called concept. So it's good to create a saved filter called concepts, because all extracted invoices go to concepts first. So you have a chance to check it that all the data are extracted okay. It's also good to say that there's thousands of different templates of invoices, so the system isn't capable of extracting everything. The system can make mistakes, so that is also a reason why it goes into a concept, and you can double check that everything's okay, or if it's not okay, you can always manually change the data. Now you heard the notification, so the system just let you know that the invoice is extracted. You see that the system created a document, an invoice. It also modified an object, the file. It means it associated the original file with the invoice. If we look again at concepts, here you see a new invoice that we just extracted. And what you have to do is you need to go to Edit. In the Edit form, you can compare the original on the left-hand side with what has been extracted. So if you look here, the system created a supplier or matched it to an existing supplier. If you had this one in your database, it extracted the dates, date of issue, date of tax. If it's if it can find a due date, it extracts a due date. If there's a bank account on the invoice, it creates a bank account. In here, in this case, there's no bank account. It extracts the currency. It extracts the numbers. Say the original number on the invoice. And also, if you select it to extract the invoice items, it will extract the invoice items with tax, if there's a tax, and such. So all the data gets extracted, and you have a chance to double check that everything's correct. If it's not correct, you can always update it here in the form. And also you can send us a message describing what is wrong, if there's something wrong, so we can improve the system. So once you're happy with this invoice, you just click Save, and that invoice is moved out from concepts to the regular invoices, and you have it in your system. So this is how you work with the invoice extraction in Caflou. Go here, upload invoices, select if you want to extract items or not, save it and send it for extraction. Once it's extracted, you get a notification. You go to concepts, and here you see invoices that are ready for your control, for your check. You can double check that all the extracted data are fine. Once you save it, the invoice is moved to regular invoices. So this is it.